Hello everyone. Today I am making puff pastry sheet. Ingredients: shift the flour into a big bowl. Add butter and salt. Mix it with your finger. Add lemon juice. Add water little by little. Mix it thoroughly until it became a firm dough. When you press it, it should come back. Cover it up and rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, place the ball of pastry on slightly floured working place and flatten slightly. Press the rolling pin into the top edge of the pastry and roll it out. Place the square of butter on center of the pastry. Fold in the sides to seal the butter inside. Tap slightly to seal the butter and also to enlarge. Take rolling pin again and roll it out like a rectangle. Fold it inwards on one side of the sheet. Then also on the other side. Press it. Then fold it in the middle. Again press it. Wrap the pastry and refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out. Roll out the pastry into a thin long sheet and fold it again. Again wrap it in the same way and keep it in a refrigerator for 20 minutes. Repeat the same procedure for 4 times. After 4 times repeating the same procedure, cut the sheet into 3 equal parts. Take one piece and roll it into a triangle. You can use it right away or you can store it like this way. Place these triangles in between the wax papers and put into a ziplock. Keep it in refrigerator for 2 days or in freezer for 15 days. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.